Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday night, the 5th of February, about 6:30 p.m. Eastern, which means the futures just opened up about a half hour ago. So at the moment, for reasons discussed in previous videos, I'm bullish on the market. I do think things are pretty well aligned here for further upside throughout the rest of February, and maybe even heading into March. However, I got a couple of longs I would like to hedge. So I'm long Tesla, I'm long Zoom. We're going to hear from JP and the boys again on Tuesday. And I do think things got a little bit hot there last week. So tonight I am short in the futures, looking for a little dip here to about 4,100. So obviously, as we trade around 4,140, not looking for a huge pullback, not looking for a massive reversal. All I'm looking for here is a little bit of a dip. So I'll show you guys a trade. I'll show you the risk versus reward, and then I'll show you what's triggering the trade. So I do have an Iron Condor on the futures that expires tomorrow. So that was a trade from last week. But as far as the short position here tonight, I bought some 4,100 puts for Friday's expiration. For Wednesday's expiration. So Wednesday expiration, 4,100 puts. And I bought about 7 of those bad boys. So 7 at a $15.50 average cost brings my max risk to about 5,300. And on the Analyze tab here, if I can catch my flush down towards that 4,100, I will, let me see. Okay, I was going to say, something is off here. Hide simulations. Alright, so down at 4,100, I'll make about 5,300 bucks. So I will pretty much double my risk here. Now the exit for the trade is going to be on a move back above the hourly 21 EMA. So that means I'm taking this trade off on a pop to about, we'll call it 4,160. At about 4,160, I am down about, we'll call it 2,000 bucks. So I'm risking a couple of $1,000 to make 5 and change. Now as far as the trigger here to get short tonight, notice on the hourly chart we have an hourly squeeze, and we have the hourly sell signal here from the Big 3 indicator. And on the moving averages, notice how that 21 EMA crosses under the 50 SMA. That's usually a point for the bears. They can negatively cross those two moving averages. Usually a pretty good indication. Things might be setting up for a flush. But me being me, most importantly, we got the sell signal here from the Big 3 indicator. Now if we check out the heat map, and for those of you unfamiliar, all the heat map are my buy and sell signals from the Big 3, color-coded on the background. So your daily chart and your 4-hour chart, they have the buy signal. Therefore, the background is green. The 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute background is red. That means all of those time frames have our sell signal. So the thinking here is that I'm trying to see that hourly squeeze fire short. We got an hourly squeeze of the sell signal. We got sell signals on the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5-minute. And again, we're doing that after a pretty good push. So remember, anytime we're up here, a good 2 to 3 average true range moves, 2 to 3 ATR above that daily 21 EMA, usually a growing probability, we're setting up for a pullback. Now, I'm not even looking for a pullback down back to that 21 EMA. All I'm looking for here tonight and into tomorrow is a little dipski into about 4,100. And then at that point, we'll take our profits and we'll see what's up. But that is the trade for tonight, guys. I'm long Tesla, I'm long Zoom. I think they got plenty more upside here over the next week or so. But tonight, trying to catch a bit of a dip here in the futures. So what I'll do is probably going to take the dog for a ride here in a bit. Let her catch a little bit of wind. But I'll keep you guys posted. And again, I'm anchoring to my hourly chart. So I don't mind bounces. I don't mind if things trade sideways. What I do mind is a move back above that hourly 21 EMA. At that point, I got to cut off the trade, and it's pretty simple. That's where I take the trade off, and if 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes later, it's rolling over again, then we short it again. But alright guys, I will keep you posted here. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is the following morning. It is Monday the 6th of February. And as y'all can see here, it's about 6 a.m. Eastern, so I gotta be a little bit quiet here. I don't want to be loud and piss off my wife. However, she will be pleased to find out that last night's futures trade delivered the paycheck. So we didn't quite hit that 4,100. However, when I woke up about, I don't know, half hour ago, I figured we are close enough here for government work, so I went on ahead and took the profits. So all in all here, guys, about not quite 5,000 bucks. We'll call it 4,000 and change. So let me see. Yeah, so last night you can see I buy 7 of those contracts at 15.50. I grabbed another 2 because I'm bold like that. I bought another 2 at 15 bucks, and then this morning, 5 o'clock this morning, sold them at 24.25. So about a 60-ish% return, which dollar for dollar is about a $4,000 and change profit. And that is that, guys. So pretty straightforward trade, of course. Now, it doesn't mean they always work, but we are playing a probabilities game here. So quick recap. Futures opened up last night. We had a hourly squeeze of the sell signal. We had sell signals on the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5-minute. The game played at hourly squeeze fired short, and sure enough, she fired short here this morning. Now maybe we go a little bit lower. Right? Maybe you catch that push down to 4,100. Maybe it pushes a little bit lower down towards your hourly 200 SMA around 4,080. But all in all here, guys, got the bulk of the move that I was looking for. And now the next question is, what's the next trade? And that is to be determined. We'll pull up the heat map here. All right, we're still bullish on the 1 hour. We're still bullish on the 30, the 15, the 5, the 3. So the next trade that I would probably look for here would be some kind of put credit spread, either under 4,100 or above 4,080. Probably look to sell some out-the-money puts here. However, I would only look to do that with a trigger. And at a minimum here, a trigger would be a 1-minute, 3-minute, or a 5-minute buy signal. But that is a wrap, guys, for last night's trade. Short in the futures in the hourly squeeze. Taking home about a $4,000 and change paycheck this morning. And it was so nice, I would like to do it twice. So we'll see what's up here for the next trade. But if you guys found this video helpful, go on ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. And I am off for Jiu-Jitsu.